box with me the new phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 14. See, this is for a new phone for my grandma that the old phone broke. So let's unbox it. Now let's put. Alright, now let's begin to unbox the new phone Xiaomi Redmi Note 14C. So let's unbox it. Wait. Now we're talking. So this one is a new phone that is from 2024. Wow! Look at this. This is pretty new. Let's see the phone. Wow! Whoa! Look at this. Whoa, this is pretty big compared to my phone. Let's see. This is pretty big. Even has blue screen. Look at this. Whoa, even new. Wow. This is so cool. Even has camera on the front. Just see. Compared to my phone, yeah. This is pretty cool. Wow. Pretty cool. Let's see the other one. Alright. Even has phone charger. Look at this. Whoa, pretty new. Wow, this is so cool. Even the phone charger looks cool. Alright, let's give it a test. Alright. Alright. Now we need to remove these papers from the charger. And when installing the new phone, let's give a change in the language to Romania because my grandma doesn't know English and Spanish. So this is pretty cool. Even comes with the phone charger. Even looks the same. Whoa, pretty cool. So here are the menus. We can read it. Whoa, Whoa. Let's read the manual before testing the new phone. Whoa, this is pretty cool. What the language is saying on? Romania, yeah, good job. Whoa, pretty cool. Alright, now second reading the menu. So here is reading the menu. Wow, pretty cool. I like it. Alright, so I'll give a test how to charge. Alright, let's see how is it working. So I come with a sticker, so don't worry, my grandma will remove it. Whoa, pretty cool. Let's give a test. Whoa, the vibration sounds so low compared to my, because my vibration of my phone sounds so high than the new phone. Wow, pretty cool. Even when the battery is low, the device will shut down. Whoa, this is pretty cool. Alright, now let's go to put on Romania. Alright, we need to find Romania. Here is. Alright. Alright, be right back in a few minutes. Alright, so part 2 coming soon on this new phone for my grandma. Alright, so the phone is turned on. So it needs requiring a card from the phone call. Guys, look at the symbol. Need to put the card. So yeah, part 2 coming soon. Anyways, bye.